School Challenge Quiz 50 has begun. I'm Monique Flowers and welcome to the 2019 edition of School's Challenge Quiz Access.
And I'm your boy Andre Skeen, and today we recap the first week of matches in this year's School Challenge Quiz 50. And as we said earlier, it's the 50th anniversary of the #1 quiz competition ever.
It's a big deal for sure, and of course, we'll be covering all the highlights with our preview and review shows right here on TVJ.
And we'll be bringing access to the streets to get your views on the show.
I can't wait to bring the access cam to the schools so that we can get a chance to meet the quizzers and their supporters.
So, tell me, which school in the whole visit was your favorite?
I wonder hard, man. Alright, I think it would be a tie between Wolmer's and Westwood.
I could see that. Cool.
Speaking of favorites, which one was your favorite from the series of 2018?
I just love all of them. I love everyone. But anyway, out with the old and in with the new.
Speaking of new, have you seen the new set? It's huge. This is what I call taking things to another level.
So let me tell you, the studio, it's hell way. Them go hard, I'm not telling you.
Impressive.
But on that note, we're going to head into some studio action with our first review of the first set of matches in this season's show. Money, take it away.
You really come back with this?
Can't.
No new style? Okay. That's fine. I'll gladly do it for my Access peeps. On Monday, we officially kicked things off with a match between the #1 seed Titchfield High and Enid Bennett High, which, as you should know, was formerly Bogwalk High. That match ended in favor of Titchfield, who secured 41 points, while Enid Bennett High got 25 points. On Tuesday, we saw Excelsior and Holy Childhood. The ladies from Holy Childhood got the better of Excelsior, 25-9.
On Wednesday, Central High played McGraw, winning 40-23, while Thursday's match saw Charlemont beating Edwin Allen 33-11. The Friday doubleheaders are back, and in the first match, Old Harbour went up against Ferncourt, securing their place in the next round, winning the match 61 to Ferncourt 16. The second doubleheader was between the Carteret College and Victor Dixon High. Both schools are found in the cool Manchester if you wanted to know, but the Carteret won 44-19.
But hey, don't just take it from us. Here are the highlights.
Sports. Look at the monitor, identify this person. Alan Wells. Jamaican heritage. Before building Firefly, his own house in Jamaica, noted British playwright and actor Noel Coward stayed at the estate of which famous British author? Ian Fleming. French. Translate to English. J'aime neiger dans l'étang. I love to swim in the pond. Literature. Which Italian wrote the book The Prince? Titchfield.
Italian. James Embry.
Incorrect. Niccolo Machiavelli. Art. What famous painting is otherwise known as La Gioconda? Titchfield.
The Mona Lisa.
Correct. Bible knowledge. According to the book of John, who were the first two apostles? Titchfield?
Paul and Peter.
Incorrect. Called to follow him, Peter and Andrew. Biology. Whose law states that the amount of gas dissolved in a... All right. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Physics. What is the name of frequency below 20 hertz? Holy Childhood.
Critical frequency.
Incorrect. Infrasonic. Sports, a visual one. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Excelsior?
Roger Federer.
Yes. Jamaican heritage. In what year did the British capture Jamaica from Spain? Holy Childhood.
1655.
That is correct. Translate the following sentence to English. C'est une nouvelle année. Excelsior?
It is a new year.
No, this is a new year. Literature. Give the birth name of the author of the 1867 novel Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. Holy Childhood.
Charles Dodgson Ludwig.
No, Charles Ludwig Dodgson. And that's the bell. That's the final bell, the end of the final challenge, the end of the match. And the scores are Holy Childhood High on 25 points, Excelsior High on 9 points. Sports, look at the monitor, identify this person. Central High.
Adam Silver. Adam Silver.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage. What dance is done on the eastern end of the island in the parish of St. Mary and is usually performed after the death of a person until the 9th night? Dinky Mini. French. Translate the following question into English. Qu'est-ce que vous allez acheter? What are you going to buy? Jane Eyre was written by which of the Bronte sisters? Charlotte. Art. In which century did Leonardo da Vinci create the work The Last Supper? The 15th century. Bible knowledge. What was the name of the high priest of Jerusalem who put Jesus on trial? Central High.
Caiaphas.
Correct. Biology. The Greek word entera, when translated, is the name of a specific part of the human body. The intestine or the bowel.
French. What is the French word for wife? L'épouse or la femme. Literature. What is the name of the Trinidadian author who wrote the book Green Days by the Charlemont High?
Michael Anthony.
Correct. Art of Visual 1. Look on the screen and identify this piece by Jamaican painter Eugene Hyde. Bunch fruit. Bible knowledge. Which gospel was written by a doctor? Charlemont.
Luke.
Correct. Biology. What is the name for the small swellings in the lymphatic system where lymph is filtered and lymphocytes are formed? Nodes or lymph nodes. Jamaican Creole. Finish the Jamaican proverb. Analakatong. Charlemont.
Mekono talk.
Very good. International affairs. The IBRD is an international financial organization. What does Charlemont?
International Bank of Trinidad and Tobago.
Incorrect. International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Chemistry. Which specific type of element would you find in the leftmost column of the periodic table? Alkali metals. Music. What musician won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2016? French. Translate the following question to English. Où se trouve la bibliothèque? Where is the library? Literature. What was the pen name of the Mississippi riverboat pilot who created the fictional characters of Tom Sawyer and Huckle Old Harbor?
Samuel Longhorn Clement.
No, we wanted his pen name, which is Mark Twain. Art. Which artist was struck in the face with a mallet by an envious rival, disfiguring him for life? Michelangelo. Bible knowledge. Who was the second person to come upon the injured man in the parable of the Old Harbor?
Levi.
Correct. Biology. Other than leaf stalk, what is another name for the Old Harbor?
Petiole.
That's correct. Jamaican Creole. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Scornful dog. Fern Court. Very good. Local affairs. Who is the managing director of the National Housing Trust? Martin Miller. Chemistry. Atoms of the same chemical element that have different atomic. Fern Court.
Isotope.
Correct. Very good. Music. What is the stage name of the American rapper Onika Tanya Mirage? Old Harbor.
Nicki Minaj.
That's right. General knowledge. In the Iliad, Greek forces besieged the people of which city? Troy. Spanish. Translate to English the following sentence, and we won't have time. Physics. In which country was the noted physicist Albert Einstein? Victor Dixon.
Germany.
Correct. Sport or Visual 1 teams. Look on the monitor and identify this person, please. Victor Dixon.
Neymar Jr.
Incorrect. Lewis Hamilton, British Formula 1 racer. Jamaican Heritage. Who won the first festival song competition in 1966? The Maytals with Bam Bam. French, what is the French word for a bird? Descartes College.
Wasso.
All right, it's un oiseau, judges. Looks like they'll accept. Literature, a Shakespearean sonnet consists of how many lines? Descartes College.
14.
That's right. Art, The Starry Night is an oil. Descartes College.
Vincent van Gogh.
Correct. Bible knowledge, according to the Gospels, what is the unique literary genre Jesus employs to preach his? Descartes College.
Parables.
That's right. Biology, what is the name for the pigment found in your skin and hair? Descartes College.
Melanin.
That's right. Jamaican Creole, complete the Jamaican proverb. And I want a fat Mick. Victor Dixon. Okay, Nightingale Foot Tan So, local and international affairs. Who won the nomination?
So 61, 44, 40. Listen, they must set the bar high. So the fact that we're getting some good scores, I can't wait to see what the great Calabar will be coming with this year. I mean,
But naturally, I'm also rooting for the ladies of the Immaculate Conception High School, and they actually play next week Friday. Sending best wishes to my ladies and, of course, all the players. We'll give you more details on that batch come Monday.
it's time to take a break here on Access, but we're just getting started. So stick around for our Access flashback and street access on the other side of this break. We'll soon come.